Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Today I will start from bases. So look at your book. At first, the definition of bases. So what are bases? Bases are the compounds that reacts with acid to form salts and water. So in a neutralization reaction, when any kind of bases react with acid, they form salts and water. They are usually the oxides and hydroxides of metals. So basically, bases are oxides and hydroxides of metals. Ammonium hydroxide and ammonia also act as bases. Thus, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, iron oxide, copper oxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, ammonia are bases. So basically the oxides and hydroxides of the particular metals act as a base. So you should learn the molecular formula also. Acid plus base. In a neutralization reaction, they form always salt and water. So here are some example and you will learn only one. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide form हो रहा है sodium chloride plus water. सेम वे हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड प्लस मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड फॉर्म हो रहा है मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड प्लस वाटर. नेक्स्ट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड प्लस एमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म हो रहा है एमोनियम सल्फेट प्लस वाटर. सेम वे नाइट्रिक एसिड प्लस कॉपर ऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है कॉपर नाइट्रेट प्लस वाटर. इन अदर वर्ड्स, if the product is a salt and one of the two reactant is an acid, the other reactant must be base. So this type of reaction shows that if any product is salt and also water, same way if one reactant is acid, the other one always should be bases. Antacids, soap and toothpaste are some things containing bases that we come across in our everyday lives. So when we use different types of soaps, toothpaste and antacids, it is a kind of medicine which actually bases. Alkalis. What is alkalis? Soluble bases are called alkalis. So basically, which kind of bases are soluble in any kind of solvent? They are also known as alkalis. So common bases should soluble in water are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Bases like magnesium hydroxide, iron hydroxide and copper hydroxide are not soluble in water and are therefore not alkalis. So which kind of bases easily soluble in water? They are known as alkalis. Basically, which kind of bases are not soluble in water? They are not alkalis. Thus, all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. इसी कारण बोला जा सकता है all alkalis are bases, because which kind of bases normally soluble in water? They are also known as alkalis. So all kind of alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Now, neutralization reaction. A reaction between an acid and base giving a salt and water is called neutralization reaction. So it is a kind of chemical reaction whereas the base and acid react each other to form salt and water. Like sulfuric acid plus sodium hydroxide form हो रहा है sodium sulfate plus water. Next, hydrochloric acid plus calcium hydroxide form हो रहा है calcium chloride plus water. Sulfuric acid plus potassium hydroxide form हो रहा है potassium sulfate plus water. In all these reactions, the acid and the base lose their acidic and basic properties or are neutralized. So in this type of reaction, basically base and acid दोनों ही अपना properties खो रहा है और form हो रहा है any kind of particular salt and water. Hence, these reactions are called neutralization reaction. इसी कारण normally this type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So whereas though reactant loses their properties, either it may be acidic or basic. Salts found in nature. Salts are found in abundance in the Earth's crust. A large number of salts dissolve in river water, and are discharged into lakes and seas. Salts such as chlorides, bromides, iodides, and sulfates of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium are obtained from seawater. So, different types of salts are basically inherent from the seawater. Soil and rocks are vast stores of salts, and some of which are mentioned in table 7.4, like sodium chloride. Occurrence rocks of common salt से मिलता है, रॉक्स ऑफ कॉमन सॉल्ट से मिलता है सोडियम क्लोराइड. सेम वे सोडियम नाइट्रेट, a white woolly crust on the soil. Potassium nitrate, a white woolly crust of soil. Calcium carbonate, all soils, limestones, rocks. Normally you should learn the salts and their occurrence also. So student, you have to learn the chart. Next, fruits and vegetables are also rich in salts. For example, bananas, guavas, and apples are rich in iron salts. So you should learn the example. Basically, which kind of fruits are rich source of iron salt, like bananas, guavas, and apples. And cabbage are rich in calcium salts. Next, uses of salts. Salts are used for the various purposes. The common uses are mentioned in table 7.5. Salt and uses. Sodium chloride as a flavoring agent in food. In a saline water for a patient of the dehydration. In the manufacture of hydrochloric acid, washing soda, and caustic soda. So sodium chloride is all basically used in a inorganic way. Basically manufacturing of hydrochloric acid, washing soda, and caustic soda. Same way, salt is used for the saline water for the patient. Next, sodium iodate. A supplement to common salt is iodized salt. So it is used as a supplement of sodium chloride. अगर sodium chloride नहीं मिल रहा है तो उसकी जगह पे हम लोग as a substitute we can use sodium iodate. Sodium carbonate as a washing soda in the manufacture of glass. इस लाइन को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना. In the manufacture of glass, which kind of salt is basically used? That is sodium carbonate. It is also known as washing soda. मतलब कपड़े धोने का जो डिटर्जेंट हम लोग यूज करते हैं, द मेन कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ वॉशिंग सोडा दैट इज सोडियम कार्बोनेट. इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द मेकिंग द ग्लास. सोडियम बेंजोएट as a food preservative, especially for pickles. So sodium benzoate is a kind of salt which actually used as a preservative for pickle. Same way, potassium nitrate as a fertilizer, giving both potassium and nitrogen for the soil. In gunpowder, same way in matchstick. So matchstick में use किया जाता है salt कौन है? Potassium nitrate. So here is a long chart, and student you have to learn the chart. So I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.